our channel. Today we will try to tell about how to make money from YouTube channel. YouTube has become one of the most popular platforms for video sharing, and it offers a great opportunity for people to make money online. If you're interested in creating content and building a YouTube channel, there are several ways to make money from it. 1. Monetize your videos with ads. YouTube offers a program called YouTube Partner Program, YPP, that allows creators to monetize their videos with ads. To be eligible for the YPP, your channel needs to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. Once you're accepted into the program, you can turn on monetization for your videos and start earning money. 2. Sponsored content. Brands are always looking for ways to reach their target audience, and they often collaborate with YouTube creators to create sponsored content. This can include product reviews, sponsored videos, or brand integrations. As your channel grows, you may start receiving offers from brands or you can reach out to them yourself. 3. Affiliate marketing. Another way to make money from your YouTube channel is through affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services in your videos and including special links in the description. When someone clicks on the link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. 4. Merchandise. If you have a loyal fan base, you can create your own merchandise and sell it on your channel. This can include t-shirts, mugs, or other items related to your content. You can use a platform like Teespring or Spreadshirt to create and sell your merchandise. 5. Patreon or other membership platforms. Patreon is a membership platform that allows creators to earn money from their fans through subscriptions. You can offer exclusive content, early access to videos, or other perks to your subscribers. Other membership platforms include Ko-Fi, Buy Me a Coffee, and YouTube memberships. It's important to note that building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. You need to create high-quality content that resonates with your audience, engage with your viewers, and promote your channel on social media and other platforms. But if you're consistent and dedicated, you can turn your YouTube channel into a profitable business. Thank you very much for being with us. Click the subscribe button next to get the best videos. Everyone will be fine.